Hello everyone, this is Ashlesha Mahadik. Namaste. You all have probably seen me for the first time on the YouTube channel of Yogic Gurukul, and because of that I would want to give you all a quick introduction about me. I have lived and grew up in Mumbai, and academically I have various different interests. Firstly, I had done a business management and finance and masters in MCom, and alongside in the yoga academic space, I have done an MA in yoga and also a TTC in yoga. So that's my academic background. Alongside, I have various other interests as well. I like to dance as well, like have, I like swimming, I like different activities which are movement based. I like strength training. These are my hobbies and interests. I've been a part of Yogic Gurukul since the year 2021, and while I was a part of it, initially I started off with working in different capacities, starting off initially with some technical work with terms of editing videos for YouTube channel, and that's where my contribution has been so far. And alongside, I was also working with Anvita, helping her with online, offline classes as well. I've also facilitated Anvay and Anvita for the yoga retreats as well as yoga workshops throughout the whole time. And my contribution henceforth will be for taking one-on-one yoga classes, also taking workshops in various studios, and also taking different affirmation-based movement practices with you all. So this is my interest in the space of yoga and health and wellness. I have been able to contribute with the team Yogic Gurukul in different capacity, especially with editing Yoga Sutra videos. There were 195 videos on YouTube, you all can see that right now, and different videos such as promotional videos, advertisements, especially on Instagram Reels as well as YouTube channel. So I have been able to contribute myself in this way. In my classes, I have made sure that I incorporate more Hatha yoga practices, which is the classical way of the yogic practices, and also different practices such as pranayama, mudras, bandhas, so that my students get a better understanding of the yogic practices and also help them in different ways how they can live a better lifestyle through on a daily basis. So that way I like to take on such classes, and they are in different forms: one-on-one, group sessions, as well as studio-based workshops. Going forward, I would like to add my value in different forms, again in terms of teaching classes, taking different sessions offline, online. You all will find out the links on our website, and I'm also planning to incorporate a different form of practice, which is affirmation-based movement in the yogic manner. So that's what I'm looking forward to add. And with the team, I'm looking forward to add more value and help the team reach milestones one by one. Thank you so much, everyone. Looking forward to seeing you all in the next video.